Even though I booked prior to, like, you know, even coming to Busan, the line is so long. Like on 2-3 hours of sleep. That's why my eyes look like this, but yeah. So colorful, and look at that. So pretty. Like that view is even like prettier. Wow, this feels so dreamy. I dorm rotting in my bed, and now I'm next to the ocean in Busan. Wow. Wow. You know, not gonna lie, I was really thinking that solo trip might not be like that good and this and that, but no. Pretty. The check-in of my room is 3 p.m. But I already reserved this thing at before, like, I got the check-in, because the thing is, this thing is very hard to reserve, and yeah, I don't want to like miss my chance during this beautiful time, because this is so worth. You cannot literally can see the ocean waves. I'm like a little kid when I really find like going to like pretty nature places. Like I'm so, oh my god, like it is literally gorgeous. This is so cute. I don't want these 30 minutes to be over. Oh my god. Now I always went on trips with my mom and dad. Like I've never like really gone on a trip alone with a friend, like maybe once, but I love my trips with my mom and dad. This is a really different experience than like being with your parents on a trip, you know? Like you have to plan everything on your own. I literally made a PPT, a PowerPoint on everything I'm gonna be doing in Busan. Like finally the ride has come to an end. Oh my god, it was really pretty. Bye bye. We're about to get off the train and go take pictures at the beach. Whoop. The weather is so nice. I'm so happy. I was really concerned about the weather. It can make or break a trip. I think Busan is really like, I've only been here a few hours, but it's so green and like water everywhere. It's really pretty.
Yeah, but like because of the ocean, we have always problem with weather. Wind bring all of this yellow, I don't remember the name. From the China, you know.
Oh.
This is
better. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. And it's like shaped like a cherry blossom. Sorry.
it's around maybe 1 meter.
Red bean. It's filled with red bean.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. cool spot. Guys, we found such a cool spot, but this is such a sport. Feeling like the sporty people. You guys, if this isn't the prettiest hotel room I have ever stayed in my life, I don't know what to say. This is the reason I'm like, I need to solo travel more, and this Busan trip is like the best idea that ever came to my mind. And oh my god, you guys, it's literally windows everywhere. The windows just don't end into sunset, and imagine at the night. I'm dying to see what it looks like in the night. So look at it. Insane.
You guys, I just got ready to go out and it's already like 8:12 and I'm quite late. I just wanted to go to the street food market and all that. And just when I'm about to leave, this whole time I'm thinking that my phone is charging, but it actually died. And now I'm even more late.
This thing that we got is spicy mayo corn. It's so crispy, it's so good. It's so good. Yeah, it's like spicy, crispy, and like creamy and cheesy at the same time. Oh, they're like Indians only. Someone said I look like I'm from Egypt. Did you hear that? From where do I look like Egyptian? That looks like a desert. Oh, that waffle looks interesting. A lot of sweet things. Market is quite long. First, we're gonna make a mental note of everything I want to eat, and then we're going to go and eat all that. I like it. Oh my god, look at the cat. It's so cute. Hi. Look at it. It's so pretty. Kitni human. Panicked so much. He was like, I don't know. A lot of the street vendors here are like not Korean, which is surprising to me. Here's the line for this thing, so this might be good. Oh well, it's like a waffle. Oh look. Actually, I think I should get a hot dog first. Cause it's more likely. Ew, there's like chocolate egg. That's so disgusting. There was like chocolate egg. That looks What juice should I get? I arranged my clothes here just because I don't know, it just looks so much cooler and makes getting ready more fun. Wow. Look at this. These are all my bows because I'm really into these nowadays. And